What are you doing, Lucy? What are you doing? I've caught you. I've caught you trying to steal. You'll be able to save yourself. You're a thief, Lucy, you know that. You're a thief. I've caught you stealing. What are you gonna say for yourself? What's your defence? What is your defence? Sorry, Lucy. Sorry. What are you gonna do? Hey? What are you gonna do? What are you gonna do about it? Nothing, no, you're just gonna run. Yeah, that's alright, run away! Run, because you know you're wrong. You know you're wrong. I don't know what you're doing back here. How dare you show your face again in this household? What are you doing here? You can't answer. Tell me. Tell me. Tell me. What are you doing? What are you doing? You're abusing your hospitality, that's what you're doing. Look at you sitting there so comfortably. Pull your weight, woman! Pull your weight! Do something! You gotta do something to earn a living in this place, Lucy. It's a dog-eat-dog world. Oh, you're gonna sit there in your silence, are you? Just sit there in comfort of your little microwave here. Yeah. Hair. But why haven't you done something? Why won't you do anything? Why, Lucy? Why? You don't even take the rewards. You just sit there. You just sleep and stare. What are you doing? What are you doing with your life? It's a disaster, Lucy, and I feel sorry for you. I pity you. I pity you. That's right, yeah. Yeah, look down. Shame. Shame, Lucy. Shame. Not because you want to fuss. No, it's not, is it? What are you doing? You stretch. What do you want? What do you want from life? What do you hope to achieve? What is this? I'm appalled. You better sort your life out. Because I ain't feeding you anymore. No.